That's the fight.
Hi guys, here we are at Egmanton level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe and Andrew. There we go, time is 9:51 on Sunday the 14th of June 2015, this is for hour 9:50, 1 Alpha 19, Virgin Trains East Coast Service from Leeds to King's Cross. I have a spider on my hand. It might be putting into the loop at Carlton, I won't be surprised. Newark Northgate.
Line, 6 November 75. Charter service from Retford to Belmont Down Yard is expected on time.
Yeah, 6775 first.
Oh, here she is from this way. This is for our 10:09, 6:75 November, from Retford to Belmont Down Yard, which passed this morning, but it's making another loop. It's gone back again.
It's making a loop.
So basically, it's gone down towards. It's gone to Grantham, turned around, and then gone back to Doncaster. Start off from Retford, and then turn around. So this is.
The next stop is Babworth Loops. You've got Babworth crossing over the Northern Line. I thought the loops would be there. This passed straight through Claypole this morning as well.
Did it?
Yeah.
It might have stopped.
Earlier.
It might have stopped at Claypole on the way down to it, but it would have gone back over it again.
It didn't stop at Claypole towards Grantham.
Right, we have got this time.
You be staying, child.
I know.
Deal?
Yeah, because we've got the Newcastle Kings coming through, haven't we? No, yeah, the Leeds Kings. We've got 66, 155. To Belmont Down Yard. And
They don't play go.
we're staying. Oh, imagine if you did that though. That'd be scary, that
Yeah,
would.
and you then crossed over in between it.
No, I would not.
Stupidly.
Andrew, I'm not that stupid, please don't.
Well, this is the biggest stupid. Expected into Retford at 10:03, that freight now.
Alright.
So 9:50 odd. Oh, it's throwing a timetable. It's got its timetable up.
What has?
The thing.
The thing.
It's on message when you want it. It's throwing its timetable. It stops at Claypole to let other trains pass, and it stops at Babworth for the same reason.
Which, this one now?
But it does run around the train. train.
That freight was just passed.
On U-turn.
Where is she?
Stanley. I think that was 800 tons.
Here she is. Another VTEC.
Obviously.
No, full Virgin this is, I don't know. We've got 82230! 91130! And up they go. The pair.
The pair of sexy beasts.
Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.